and you've touched on cultural diplomacy. What role do you see cultural diplomacy play in international relations?
Cultural diplomacy in international relations, it's especially critical, especially to us as Pacific Islanders. It is our Northern Star and our guide. It is our identity as people and as leaders. As Pacific Island leaders, we don't lead out of greed for power or the greed for money. We lead for the love of our people. We lead because we're caretakers of the largest body of water. We fight for a deeper purpose. We don't just lead for a title. Where I'm from in American Samoa, as well as my sister Litara, we share the same culture. We say that ole ala I le pule o le tautua. The way to leadership is through service. And I believe that is the way that most of our Pacific Island people lead. We lead with service, and we lead with the heart of wanting change for our people, and not the money or the power or playing into the capitalistic way of life. That's not who we are. And that's why cultural diplomacy is so important. It is the heartbeat of who we are as leaders in the Pacific. Otherwise, why lead at all? Thank you.